guys, I'm excited to share with you my new toy for my vlogging gear. Let's go check it out. Here you go guys, as you can see it fell from above, and this box is actually, I guess this will be the game changer, one of the game changer aside from the silver lens that I bought for my vlogging career, because as a vlogger I do listen to the comments of my subscribers that telling me that this video right here sounds crappy, because of course it is crap. Yeah, because sometimes if I'm so far away and I vlog, my voice can't be heard anymore because I'm just using the Rode video mic, the mini one, and also sometimes I'm using the Boya, the mini one as well. So I've checked online, this one only cost me around $57 US. It's the Mailada WM8. So guys, with no further ado, let's open this toy. There you go. I bought two actually because one of my friends told me that he wants one as well. And I haven't checked the review for this. I saw one, and that's why I'm really planning to have the unboxing of this and also do some testing for this indoors, and I'll be also doing the outdoors. So here you go guys, here's the box, and let's go unbox it. Ta-da! The Mailada WM8, and let's unbox this one. The first thing that you can see is this one. Okay, pass. It says August 8, 2018. I guess that's the time that it was made and certified. And here's the manual, as you can see. Okay, there you go. There's English version, and then there's also a Chinese version. At the back you have Korean, and this one I guess it's in Deutsch, but kindly confirm that one guys for me. And here's the installation, the specs. Okay, I'll read through this in details after the unboxing. So there's foam here, and then here are the items, and let's open this one. How do you open this? Okay, you need to, you can see this one guys side, there's also this side, and then you need to press it and then it opens. So what you need is 4 AA batteries for you to operate this one, and this one here says mic and auxiliary, and there's channel, and here's the channel, here's the volume, and here's the adjustment for negative and positive. And let's see the specs again. And here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until 10, and the receiver is the one with the, I don't know if you can see this one here, that one. So the one with the positive and negative, number 9, is a receiver, and the one with the auxiliary and mic, number 2, is the transmitter. Okay, so what you need to do is put the boot type connector first. Okay, let's put this on. There's a clip right here. I assume that slides right there. Wait. No. Oh, there you go. Fits right. and this one right here is the jack for the mic, and then this one is for the earphone. Okay. And what do you have here? Here's the lav mic. Okay, let's see how long it is. Let's open this. There's actually two foam for the lav mic. More tools that you have is this one, which you can connect here to the mic, and this one here is also the output right here. And how long is this? Let me check. There you go. I reckon it's just around meter and a half. So guys, here you go. We have this rechargeable batteries. I've already charged this one. Let's put this on, and this too. It says channel 1 638. Okay, I don't know what's that for means, but right here are the specs. I don't know if you can see this, mates. Okay, 12 decibels. Wow, I'm already good with that if I see that one. And this one here, out volume, it's the 9. So again, it's the receiver. So this one is the one that you need to put on the bracket. This cord has two TRS, both TRS. Let's put it there. And this jack here, this one converts the TRS, which I'll be connecting to my iPhone 7, and here's the receiver, right? Okay, and here is the transmitter, which I need to put on the mic. So guys, let's check it out. What's the result later? I don't know, but I'm really excited with this. Okay, let's go. Guys, this is the indoor testing of the Mailada WM8. So I already put the Mailada WM8 on my current setup with the Gorilla Pad, my iPhone 7, and then the wide angle lens, zero lens. So it's just arm length away. This is testing Mailada WM8, Mailada WM8. So guys, I'll be going there. I'll be sitting on the sofa, and let's see how it goes. So I'm already here, testing Mailada WM8, Mailada WM8, Mailada WM8, and the transmitter is currently at my side, and then the receiver is right there. And if I cover the transmitter, this is the Mailada WM8 indoor testing, Mailada WM8. And I will also test the Mailada WM8 outdoor. So let's go, guys. So guys, here I am at the oval right now at the 100-meter straight line, and I want to test the Mailada WM8 outdoors. So the best way for me to test is this windy condition, and let me see the result if it's okay. And then I'm just around arm length away right now, and let me go to the 10-meter distance away. Here you go. So it's a bit windy here. I'm at the 10-meter distance away from the current setup, the iPhone 7 with the Mailada WM8. So this is the 10 meters distance, and then let me go to the 20-meter distance if it's still okay. So here you go. I'm already at the 20-meter distance, and then I don't know if it's okay. This is a test again, the Mailada WM8 outdoors with windy conditions. And then let me go to the 30 meters if it can still get the signal. Currently I'm at the 30-meter distance away from the current setup,
Again, this is to test the Mailada WM8 outdoors with windy condition. And let me check if it's still okay to go further away, 40-meter distance. So guys, I'm already at the 40-meter distance away from the current setup. This is to test the Mailada WM8 outdoors with windy condition. So let me check if it's okay. And guys, this is pretty reasonable price. It's only cost for $57 US, and if you're a vlogger or just a amateur video maker, I would really suggest for you to buy this if this works well, because it's quite reasonable. And then of course we're looking for that quality also. So guys, this is also to test the Mailada WM8 if I'm at the windy condition, and then with a level difference. I'm here at the ground floor. The current setup is currently at the podium. I reckon it's around 3 meters high, and then the distance around here is around 50 meters away. And I don't know if this is still okay. This is again to test the Mailada WM8 wireless microphone that I bought online. Guys, I'm at the car park right now, and then I just want to test the Mailada WM8 outdoors, and if the transmitter and then the receiver is blocked by an object, if it can still get the signal. So guys, I'm here at beside the car, and then you can see me right now, but I don't know if you can hear what I say. This is to test again the WM8 Mailada outdoors if the transmitter and then the receiver is blocked. So right now I just come back from the car, and then I don't know if the result is okay or not. It's for you to tell. Guys, let me check also if we can vlog on this if we are outdoors and having a noise at the background. Let's go. So guys, currently I'm outdoors again here with the windy condition, and there's a noisy background due to the traffic lights. There's a bell ringing, and then this is again to test the Mailada WM8 outdoors with noisy condition and cars passing by. I will also post the link below where I got the Mailada WM8. And what do you think, guys? Is it reasonable for you to get this wireless microphone as well? And guys, I would really recommend this item if this one works, because it's quite reasonable and it's pretty easy to use. And I'm heading to the setup right now, and hopefully this video, guys, could also help you decide if you're planning to get a wireless microphone. Might as well get the Mailada WM8, because it's only for $57 US. It doesn't cost that much compared to Boya and Rode wireless microphone. And right now, guys, let's go back to the indoor. Now that we're back from the outdoor testing, you already saw the result. What can you say? I bought this one mainly to enhance the audio of my vlogging, because I receive a lot of issues before from the comments of our reviewers that my audio is not that well sometimes it goes out, sometimes it's good, sometimes if I'm outdoors they can't really hear me that much. So that's the reason why I really mainly bought the Mailada WM8. And guys, thank you again for tuning in. Hope you find this helpful for you to decide if you're going for a wireless mic. Maybe you can have this as one of your options. It's very reasonable price. That's why I really want to share this with you. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Talking Chinoy, signing out.